Welcome to Amazing Home Hacks. Today's project is to add a lot more usable space into this kitchen cabinet. Once again, here's a cabinet with lots of cubic space, but much of it is wasted. You can buy wire racks like these. They certainly do the trick, but they tend to move around a bit, so you need to be careful they don't slide off the shelf lip. They also cost about $20 each. For about the same price, I'm going to make 6 of them, and really use the space in this cabinet. It starts with a couple of these melamine shelf boards. These are trimmed to a little less than the existing shelf depth. Melamine tends to chip a bit along the saw edge, so here's a good trick. Run a piece of painter's tape around the board where the saw line will be. This makes for a much cleaner finished cut. Now I'm going to add risers to each side of these portable shelves. Corner clamps help to align the edges and get a perfect 90-degree corner. A combination of carpenter's glue and some brad nails secures them in place. Here they are, all clamped up. One corner of the cabinet has a receptacle that powers the under cabinet lights, so I notched out one of the shelves to make room for it. Here's a simple and inexpensive way to give a professional finish to those sawn edges. This edge tape comes in a roll and is available at your home center. You simply cut to the proper length and iron it onto the exposed edge. The heat from the iron melts the glue on the back and creates a strong, permanent bond. And a quick trim of the overhang, followed by a finish with a hand plane or sandpaper, and you're good to go. If you forgot to use the masking tape trick I showed you earlier and have a few chips you need to cover up, here's another solution. A little bit of this water-based DAP product fills those in, and once wiped down, cleans up and hides those imperfections. Now it's time to put those shelves into action. First I'll clean everything out and then add my new shelves in. Then back go the dishes. Here are all the original dishes put back in the cabinet. And look at all the extra space we have now. It will certainly be put to good use. It's easy to make these portable shelves using basic materials and simple tools. It's a piece of cake for you to adjust the sizes to suit the needs of your cabinet and its contents.
I invite you to join my Amazing Home Hacks channel and share my journey to get more space, functionality, productivity, and beauty for my home.